All right, so in this example, I'm going to show you how to work with a file and open it into both the browser and um, your text editor of choice. So I have the file open right now, and I'm starting it open because I want to show you something here. I want to do a save as, and this is what you'd always want to do at the beginning. Mine is already saved, but I'm going to save it again. And notice it's .html. You want to make sure that's what your file is. In this case, index.html. Index is usually the first page on a website. But anyway, whatever .html. But .html is the most important part. You may end up getting text.txt stuck behind it. Be very careful you don't get that. In Windows, you may have to choose a little drop-down all files to get that to work. But anyway, on the Mac, I don't have a problem with that. Index.html, notice it's right here. I'm going to check, yes. So I'm going to save it. If I want to replace it, I'm going to say yes because I'm doing a save as, it's okay. And now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to close this. So we'll pretend it's just here and we're just now starting it up again after we've taken a break or something. So if I double click on it, notice it brings it up here. Welcome to Richard's Chocolates. And this is all the stuff we wrote. Number of boxes, 1, 2, 3 or more, milk chocolate per box, the price, $9.99, $9.50, etc. This table is very smashed together, but we haven't talked about how to space it out yet, so that's okay. This is a good start for a page. But by double clicking, I just get it that way. I also need to open it up to edit it again. So I right click or control click on a Mac and I choose open with, and I'm going to choose my text editor, BB Edit. You may have something else, but it's the same idea. So now it's here. So what I like to do is I like to move my browser page over here, and I'll make this one a little smaller so that they're easily clickable between the two. On the PC, you can snap these to use up half the screen each. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to change something. So I'm going to add another row. Copy, paste, and this time I'm going to change this one that we just copied from to just be 3. And the next one I'll change to be 4 or more. And I'll lower the price even again. So now $8.50, let's say, and let's say that this is $9.25. Okay. Now, some people think they have to quit this and open it again in the browser. That's not true. You can have them both open at the same time. So I'm going to save this one. So I just did a save, Control S. I'm going to come over here and I'm going to click on the address and I'm just going to hit enter. And you see it added the new amount. Every once in a while, your page may not want to refresh, in which case you can use the actual refresh button. If it still won't work, you may have to quit the browser and open it again, but there's also another possibility that I've seen many times. A lot of students like to, as they're working along, save versions along the way so that if they mess something up, they don't have to start over, they can go back to the previous version. What's happened a few times, or many times I've seen, is that they'll make a new version of the page. The new version's open here in their text editor, but they forgot to go to the new version in the browser. And so every time they change something and they refresh over here, nothing changes and they get extremely frustrated. So make sure that if that happens, you check to make sure both the paths are the same that you're dealing with, the file paths, so that you know that it's the same file. I hope this was helpful. I'll see you next time.